Hi, my name is Ms. Krysten Thomas, and I'll be showing you how to convert fractions into percentages. Before we begin, I would like to look at what percentages are, just like a little quick recap of the basics and percentages that you would know. I would be continuing this topic throughout the month of August, or if you happen to stumble upon this video sometime after August 2021, then I'm very happy that it would help you. This is for the far future, right? So let's get into it. Okay, so these are just a couple of examples of how the percentage would look. So 100% means all, so that means the entire region is covered and represented by 100%. If only half of it is covered, is usually represented by 50%. I have some questions here. And for those of you all who just want to pause the video and go ahead and start the questions, you could go ahead if you're confident enough and already know how to do this and you just want to do a recap, Noah. You could do so. And if not, stay tuned and I'll do them as examples. I'll probably do these bottom ones here. I'll do these two, like these two here. You could go ahead and pause the video. If you don't want to pause the video and you'd like to see the other questions, you can continue watching, right? So 16%, in order to convert a fraction to a decimal, you take this fraction and you actually multiply it by 100%. And that is all you do. But make sure and don't have this little piece of thing here. Yeah. So in order to work this out, you multiply it by 100%, which is the same as 100 over 1, which I should probably type instead of just verbally mentioning. So this here is the same as 6. Oh, my battery is low. Oh no, pause for a second, please. All right, so 100% can also be written as 100 over 1. That looked like a smiley face, cute. So when you multiply your fraction by 100 over 1, you could go ahead and cancel, multiply fractions, right? And when you multiply in fractions, you reduce the diagonals pretty much. And then you could reduce your regular fraction. But for now, let's work it out this way before getting too complicated. So 25 could actually go into 25 one time, and 25 could go into 100 4 times. Now, I did that with a big number because 25, you have 4 25 cents and $1. We learned that since like first year or second year, right? So I try to use those little things to remember what you should do. And 16 multiplied by 4 is 64. Yeah, 64, I think. Please correct me if I'm wrong. I'm doing this at a pretty odd time. It's at 5 a.m. So you have, what did I say just now? 64%. So that's how you'll get the answer there. If this one is a bit weird, let me choose the next one. Let's go with this one, 4 over 10. So the 4 over 10, you multiply that by, oops, 4 over 10, you multiply that by 100%. And 100% is the same as 100 over 1. You should write, you always write all the way you can write. And then you could go ahead and cancel. So we have the 0 cancels with the 0 here. And well, 4 multiplied by 10 is 40. So that's 40%. So as you can see, it's super easy, right? Let me use a different one. And like if you have a denominator that's like 20, I'll probably do an example of that. Why am I keep doing this? So you're multiplying this by 100. And what I like to do, well, the zeros cancel off, right? But 20 could go into 100 5 times. Just throwing that out there in case somebody needs a reminder of that. But this is pretty simple to calculate because you could cross off the zeros here. the easiest way to cross off the zeros, and then 2 could go into 2 one time. So this cancels, and 2 could go into 8 9 times. So 9 by 10 is 90, so you'll get 90%. And it's that simple. So you could go ahead and probably pause the video, take it down. I would take a screenshot, but you're going to, you don't need to take any screenshot. Do as you please. Whatever you prefer. Take a screenshot, bookmark the video, share the video, like the video. If you found my explanation really good, please leave a comment below. I would reveal the answers to the rest of the questions after this little piece here, right? So feel free to check out my YouTube channel. Well, you're already on my YouTube channel, so feel free for you. What am I saying? I'm getting tongue-tied. I'm so excited. So feel free to check out my videos. I'm not going to edit that because my students love that I show that I am human instead of being so strict all the time. So yeah, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, share with your family, share with your teacher. If you really like what I'm doing, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll know when I drop in videos, because I do it so randomly but in such a timely manner at the same time. I also teach SE, I teach CSEC math as well. I also have a playlist up for CSEC physics if anybody wants to check that out. Those videos are not made by me, but the playlists are compiled by me to go according to the physics syllabus, because, well, I like being efficient with regards to time and class time, which is why I'm trying to focus on some short videos. So let me stop rambling on here and reveal the answers for you. Let me just save a picture of that one. Thank you. So the answers, let me just clear this out before. So you could go ahead and check your answers here, your solutions. I should probably type in UWI solutions. And once you finish, get them correct. If you got all correct, please comment below. I'll give you emojis as a sticker. So I hope this was helpful. I would be doing the other parts of percentages between, well, this week, next week, following week, basically till the end of August. I want to start covering some basics, especially in percentages, mainly because my sister asked me to go it over with her. So I just wanted to do it a little extra special. But so I hope you enjoyed this. Again, feel free to share, like, comment, subscribe. Also, you can check out the timestamps below. I should have mentioned this in the beginning, you know, but for my future videos, I will timestamp where the theory is, where the example is, where the question is, and where the solutions are. So every set of questions that I give, you could check it at the end of the video. Usually I was told that way. Also, shout out to Mr. Sanjay Bahal. You helped this happen. Just needed to give credit where credit is due, because he used to give like so many questions, and clearly it came with a good purpose. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, subscribe, and I'm very open to if anybody wants to do certain topics, let me know in the comments below.